Then it carries you, you scream. So once you scream, 1, 2, you hear the voice of your father.
I take your position now. Hey, continue to disturbing my organ, please. I take your position, please.
You can see that the sound man is still one.
And because of you saying you should
which position?
Yeah, let's go now, let's go. Rolling since.
Camera rolling.
Rolling.
You say camera.
Rolling on the end. Alright, let's go.
Should I come from here? Alright, take 54, take 54, take 1.
Laughter, let's go. Stand by 3, 2, 1. Alright. Action. Sorry. Ah, 1 minute.
I don't really like this kind of.
9 minutes I get left. Let's go. 9 minutes. Let's go. Stand by.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'll copy you.
Action!
It's not ready.
Yeah.
I got you the way I shot in there.
You taught who well?
You know.
You didn't teach me well.
Babe. We need to go see your
No, we can't put my wedding suit onto the wedding day. Just the same way you can allow me to see the wedding guys on the wedding day.
Says who, but you know, normally to see a bride's wedding gown before the wedding is bad women.
To see the groom's wedding suit or even the wedding boxers is a crime.
Who is this man? Says who? That's not true. I only know the bride and not the
Oh, yeah. So, how about we go upstairs? You are already my wife, even if the wedding is a month.
Pick up and action.
You're already my bride, even if the wedding is a month away.
You know we have two soldiers in that situation, so we'll be fine.
They've done their bad things already. So.
You have to tell my father.
Why are you fired? The food is not fired yet.
And cut.
I'm standing by.
Let's go now.
Oh yeah, now.
I say 54, take 55, take 1.
Let's
Hold on. Let's go, guys. Alright, Chaka.
Alright, let's go. Quiet, guys. 3, 2, 1, and action!
That's so funny.
See the way you're chopping this. I taught you very well.
You taught who what?
No.
No, we don't. You can't see my wedding suit before the wedding day. Yeah, the same way, I can't see your wedding gown for the wedding day.
No, that's not correct. It's only wrong for a groom to see the bride's wedding dress. It's bad on me.
Yeah, it's also bad to see the groom's wedding suit before the wedding day. Even the wedding groom boxers, you can't see it. Wedding day.
What did I just hear? No, it was not true. I've not heard of that before. Yes. Let's go.
Hold. One camera she does.
Smash my bats,
Sorry.
She was going to
PG America.
Just come, get it.
Alright, let's go. Stand by.
You're blushing. Anything bad, you blush. Come on, carry on.
Alright, blushing ready.
This one too. Two bad girls.
Alright, let's go. Stand by.
You can't wait to go and swim, right?
2, George, 1. I can't quit.
This fault, man. That I like, but hey, we have two soldiers in the living room. We're going to do that.
They are grown up and become their bad things.
Okay.
And cut. Moving on.
It's a fucking
See
round.
you guys next week.
Lesson.
We all know.
I don't know.
Aww, so cute.
Sorry.
It's a wrap for day 2. Aww.
I'm gonna show you this others. My daddy said I should tell her. My daddy said I should tell her. You like that? You want to say what you want? Go like this, yeah? Until this is I swear.
Rolling. You know you are doing everything for me. I swear. Continue.
Okay. We shadow. No.
I'm boy from Malaysia. So just lines and movements.
Okay. Camera is rolling. Go, sir.
Okay, find your mouth. Let's go. Set of old wounds, scene 19 and 20. See you on Ada and see you on me. On
Slate 100.
okay, 100. Okay. Let's go.
Wait, what's next again, sir? Alright.
Old wounds, slate 100. See you on scene 19 and 20.
Yes.
See, this is not my work.
Sorry, sorry.
Alright, let's go. Okay, old ones, scene 19 and 20, slate 100. See you on Adana. See you on me.
Woo!
See you on you. See you on KOK Production.
Clap, clap,
See you
clap,
on
clap.
YouTube. See you with 2 billion views.
That's good. How did it go?
It went well. I'm actually surprised on how it went. It was too good to be true. But I'm guessing we were just worried about it. So tell me, have you told your father? How did it go?
Yeah, I mean, he's excited to meet you too. So that's a win, don't you think?
Yes. Because this will go well. I believe it will. I can't wait to finally be with you, my love.
What do you say we meet tomorrow and make plans, babe?
I would love that. I would. Yeah, I know.
How did it go?
It went well. I'm surprised it actually went the way it did. I guess we were just worried for nothing. So tell me, have you told your father? How did it go?
Yeah, I mean, he's excited to meet you too, but... So that's a win, eh? Don't you think?
Yeah. I do. What's the line?
This will go well, I believe. So now, it's real, I can't wait to finally be with you.
I Director, sorry, one more time.
How did it go?
It went well. I'm surprised it actually went the way it did. I guess we were just worried for nothing. So tell me, have you told your father? How did it go?
Yeah, I mean, he's excited to meet you too, but... So that's a win, eh? Don't you think?
Yeah. I do. What's the line?
This will go well, I believe. So now it's real. I can't wait to finally be with you.
Director, sorry, one more time.